Collin Morikawa. His dad, the whole side of his family grew up on Maui. His grandparents were born in Lahaina. You see Dad Blaine on your left, Mom Debbie, and that's Collin's wife, Kat, to his left, and brother Garrett. Morikawa's grandfather owned the Morikawa restaurant on Front Street in Lahaina. Still has relatives living on Maui. Earlier this week, Collin and wife Kat visited Huamamona Farm just to better understand the Lahaina relief efforts. We're in the greenhouse learning about produce production.
Arugula as well.
Yeah, we love arugula. Prepared food in the kitchen, and then boxes for Lahaina families. Here now, Collin with Todd Lewis.
Collin, your grandparents owned a restaurant in Lahaina. You came here as a kid, growing up to vacation. Take me back to August when you were reading about what was happening or seeing what transpired on the news. How emotionally impactful was that for you?
I was shocked. It was very emotional. You know, I really haven't had anything hit that close to home and that close to family in really my entire life. And to have something like that, to know where my grandparents grew up, losing that kind of area, having a lot of family, a lot of friends, it's just, it's devastating. And when you hear people talk about it, you know, from phone calls and the videos we're all seeing, it's terrifying. But finally stepping out here, you know, you really see the impact it is brought to these people and the lives that, you know, and what it's done to their lives. And it's something you can't really comprehend until you see it firsthand.
Have your feelings changed now that you're seeing it in person? Are they more elevated?
I mean, they're very emotional. You know, I got to talk to a few people that had lost their homes already a few months ago, and it's very emotional. It's very emotional for them because, you know, they have everything they've built up their entire lives. Hawaii's all about culture. It's all about family. It's all about that Ohana spirit, right? And when you see everything come together and driving on by, you know, obviously to the golf course, it hits the heart. It really does.
Is it inspiring for you this weekend anyway?
It is. No matter how I play, like the end goal is to win. But no matter what happens, you know, weeks like these, there's always going to be more meaning. I'm always going to remember what this week is about, and that's going to be the main focus. You know, I'm going to have that in the back of my head. I'm going to have that support. I'm going to be supporting them as well at the same time. So that's going to be really, really exciting.
So you sound motivated. Mechanically, where are you right now, you think?
Good. Feels good. Game feels great. I'm ready to be back. You know, it was a very much needed off season, especially after the past kind of, let's call it 4 or 5 years of being a pro. It's nice to be back out here, knowing this time has kind of changed a little bit. And look, everyone starts at zero starting this week, and we want to get off to a really good start, but game feels great.
And final thing, this has been, if anything, a big distraction this entire, well, at least it's June, the coming together of the negotiations between the PGA Tour and PIF. Ultimately, what do you hope happens?
I just hope we all play together again at some level. It's so much back and forth. Like I've enjoyed the past year or whatever, 2 years. I don't even know how long it's been between the LIV and PGA Tour. But you know, the majors are fun because you see everyone. Not that I took it for granted back then, but you just saw everyone. So I hope to see that at some point, whatever kind of negotiation comes through and deal comes that way. But it's fun to see the best players all play together. I think that's what everyone wants to see. That's what we're going to see a lot in these signature events on the PGA Tour. But hopefully, you know, everyone's all together at some point in the end.
As always, appreciate your time. Have a great week.
Nice time.